folks. Thank you for joining me for the Harrison Repair Show. I'm Brian Harrison. Actually, I just called Harrison Repairs. Um, and yeah, I just want to leave a friendly reminder. Don't please forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on the video. And if you're on Rumble, follow me there. Um, I upload videos there too. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook. And links and descriptions are in the home pages of both YouTube and Rumble. Um, I want to say that I hope you enjoy the show, whether we're repairing something, whether we're showing tools that you can buy, simple, maybe even simple tools to help you with a repair. But I hope you enjoy today's video. So please sit back and let's begin the show. Okay, folks, we're looking at a drill and driver bit set. It's a 100 piece. Actually, there's a little more because I added a deal in here. It's a Hyper Tough, 100 piece bill and 100 piece drill and drill and driver bit set. Sorry, in click fit cases. Okay, so here's what it looks like. It's a clear case, and again, if you listened to this playlist, not this channel, but this playlist, I've been talking about having stuff for your not emergency kit, but for your tool kit, which could be for emergencies. I mean, if you need to fix something in an emergency, you're not going, oh no, I don't have tools to do that, or doing small repairs. So, and it's good to try to learn what you can, if you can, the best you can, so that you can be able to do things. Now, some of these may not be in the correct order, because I think I had a bunch that fell out, and anyway. But they're here. They're all here, and I know how to use them. So I'm opening this. There you go. I don't know if I'll go through all these. I was just showing these to show you. I bought this. At first I didn't. This is what I bought at first. This is the extra thing. This is what I bought first just because I have a drill, or a drill, or I would say it's just a drill that I could use, that I could power drill or whatever, that could screw. That's what I'm gonna call it. That I could screw things in with, and that's what I got this for, because I needed something that the drill did not come with. The drill comes with a basic bit. Okay, all drills come with at least one bit. That's just at least mine came with one bit that was two-sided. One was a Phillips and the other was the flathead or something, or the So, and this one does it? Yeah, see, like this. So like this. So like this. So where one side is that, and the other side is the flathead. So, there you go. Oh, oops, maybe I'll go on the other side. So it'll match. There you go. Now it matches. Anyway. So yeah, but I have a bunch of these that are added to it. And I guess if you get one of these power drills, don't forget, and I never did because at the time I only needed it for what it had. And sometimes you get kits that will come with all this stuff. I didn't. With mine, I finally got all this to go with it. So it's important to, if you can, like getting this for your power drill would just give you so much more. If you can get a kit, it's better. This will give you so much more. Here, this will give you so much more. That's why I got this originally, eventually. And then I looked at it and said, well, there's stuff I need. And so I got all this, and it comes with even more than what this has. It comes with more, mostly for this stuff. Some for this. I'd probably use some of these. Like, I know this one would go on mine. Most of these would go on mine. Here, see, like, okay, here you go. Put that. Some of these fell out because I accidentally dropped them, but so here's this. So, I mean, it's just... And this is nice because this, you could, you could put it on in your drill and extend, like, put tools so you can do extensions and stuff with that. So with this one, I like those type. That's why I bought for multiple reasons, but it will work for what I have. But if you are smart, it's easier if you can. Now you can't buy. Some people can't buy it all at once. It's sad. If I could, I would have, type of thing. But if you can try to get it with the kit, and that will be the best way to go with this type of thing. If you can. I got this later, and what I needed it for, it works. I probably will use, maybe I'll use half of these, but even if I don't use half of these, I have them, so if I need it for an emergency situation, or just basic repairs, or I want to do something, I have these tools. So it's kind of nice to have that stuff. I've thought about getting another power drill, maybe more updated one, or something that would be slightly better, maybe even a kit. I have looked at kits at one time. But for what I do, this does work. So, but anyway, I hope that's all I could say. I'm not going to name everything because I don't know the names of these things, but I do know how to use them and how they work. Again, I'm just not good with names of stuff generally, especially this type of stuff, So, and this. So this was not originally part of it. I just threw it in here and went, oh, well, it's for the same thing, so there you go. It sits on top. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this look at this. I think if you have a chance, I think everyone, for basic repairs, whether you own your home or not, for basic repairs in your home, especially not just your actual home, but your, even for just work, like let's say you hang up a flat screen TV, there are people who do it. I've seen videos of people doing it in their own apartments, or you're just fixing a furniture piece that you have. It's nice to have tools just to do that. So I encourage people to do what they can and see if they can. But I'm happy. I've done this. I hardly ever use it unless I need to. And then I don't have to worry, because if I need something, I'm not like, oh, great, I have to wait, go to the store, figure out how to get one. And now I have one. I can just go and pull it out. Anyway, I'll leave with some closing thoughts, and I'll see you guys later. I want to thank you for joining us for the Harrison Repair. I guess we call it Harrison Repair Show, but it's actually Harrison Repairs. I hope you enjoyed what we showed you today on video. And when we do these things, we take a camera and go and show you. We're not talking about it on a green screen all the time. So I want to thank you for whatever. If we showed you a repair or tool, thank you so much. But please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on our videos, and it helps us out a lot. And don't forget to follow us on Rumble and on Facebook. And I just want to thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a nice day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.